His double life refers to at least two distinct stories. A 2016 Lifetime TV movie where a daughter suspects her stepfather of a double life after a woman he met is murdered. And a 2024 suspense novel by Nicole Trope about a mother trying to rescue her son from her husband's dangerous, deadly double life. The 2016 Lifetime movie plot. After her father's fatal car accident. A young woman returns from college to find her mother remarried to her father's business partner, Greg. When the daughter notices Greg's secretive behavior and then sees him with another woman who is later reported dead, she investigates and uncovers his mysterious double life. Cast. The film stars Emmanuelle Vaugier as the mother, Linda, and Brian Krause as the stepfather, Greg. Inspiration. The movie is described as being inspired by a true story. The 2024 psychological thriller novel author. The book is written by Nicole Trope, an Australian author and USA Today bestseller. Plot. A mother receives an anonymous text after her twin sons are playing in the park, but only one returns home. She discovers her husband, Leo, has a deadly double life. And his secrets have put their child in mortal danger. Tone. It's described as a gripping, suspenseful psychological thriller, and a page-turner.